Good morning, everybody. It's the third day of spring in Florida. It's 48 degrees. We're gonna go up to Homosassa and do a little cars and coffee meet. Let's go check it out. Living on the edge. Check out the old classic Pizza Hut, people. There's gonna be a meet there tonight. All right, we made it. Let's check out some cool cars and let's go inside and meet everyone. From coffee to thrift stores, here we are. I mean, it depends on which kind.
Oh no, that's mine.
It depends on what you do because some of them have like the screws, you know, like how you need to like the screw in and pull up. That's a gear pull or something up too.
$2.50.
It works.
If you use it.
Oh, the jackpot.
Oh snap! Country. Michael Jackson.
MJ, Lisa.
Yep, let's get them bad boys.
Oh, Lisa's empty.
Is it? Oh, it is.
Is that
Dang
that
it.
one right there?
No, Disco Nights. Chaka Khan disc. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, Shannon. There we go. Is that in there? Yep, this is it. Let the music play. Bam. Got that one.
Sweet.
Lisa's empty. That's terrible. We have to find it.
meet that Dubzuknow crew put together. Great coffee shop we went to. Even went thrifting afterwards. Got some cool 80s cassettes. Got some Debbie Deb, Lisa Lisa, Shannon. Some good stuff. But time to go home. We're gonna go and work on the Coleman camper. Gonna help Jimmy with his pulley on the generator or his alternator. I got rims I'm picking up for. Well, I got rims I'm gonna pick up. You'll see later what they're going on. And Dubzuknow has a Pizza Hut meet tonight, so we're gonna try to go to that. We have a lot of stuff going on today. We'll see what happens. But thanks for sticking around. Great event today. We'll see you guys later.